Ano bang mali sa pagiging bakla?
I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let
Bakit may
them break
nilalait?
down to dust. I know that there's a place for us.
Respeto ang kailangan.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down,
Aray ko, alam mong ganan ko, parang arang ka.
gonna drown a mind.
Mag-ingat ka dyan, pre, ha?
I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me.
Sabi nila, pantay-pantay lahat ng tao. Pero bakit mainaapi, minamaliit, at minamaltrato?
I make no apologies.
Bagay na sa yan!
We are bursting through the barricades and reaching for the sun. That's what we
Nasaan ang pagiging makatao kung ang gaya ko ay hindi nyo kayang irespeto? Araw-araw naming naririnig ang salitang bakla ka, salot ka. Kailan ba namin maririnig ang salitang tanggap kita kahit bakla ka?